It's now time for a break. More local news when we return. Welcome back, continuing the news. When the roads to markets became unreliable, when farmer refused to let his crops go to waste, instead he turned the creative method, ziplining produce to his customers.
This is a zipline, but there are no tourists or local enthusiasts sliding off in joy or terror. Instead, money and produce. This is how it works.
Yeah, man, just put money, anything when you want over it. Anything when you want, if you want 2 bunga callaloo, you just put the money in the bag and you just send it over and you just put back the callaloo into the bag and you receive the wire. That's like, man.
He says that's been the case for some 2 years in Frankfield, Manchester. He works with this man, the farmer behind the creation. You should hear his alias.
Online callaloo.
But he isn't necessarily an e-commerce farmer, just on the ground. His need to meet customers halfway forced him to be innovative.
I have a field over there. I do vegetable and sugar cane, cabbage and stuff like that. And when I'm to carry this stuff across the river, it's kind of hard. So, you know, to be like somebody come and want a bundle of callaloo, I have to be going back and forth. Sometimes like 5 different persons come 5 different times. I can't do it. So I just try to come up with something, you know.
It took focus and precision to install, but the system has been very rewarding.
It helped me a lot, you know. It helped me a lot, and I heard somebody else is doing the same thing up further up on the river up there.
And his customers?
Well, they like it. They like it. That's why they call me the online man. Because a lot of people hear about online callaloo, they think it's virtually online, but it's just a primitive technology, really, you know.
One of them told us it's a major convenience.
I will call him over his field. If he's there, I will put my money. I will put my money in the bag and I will send it over to him on the other side.
She too knows the system like the back of her hand.
I have some urgent business that I want to do today, so I'm not going to wait for him to come in Frankfield, so I come here and buy.
And how you find the service though?
Well, it is very reliable. As long as he is here, when you come, you will get what you want.
Mr. Hall says importantly, if there's rainfall or floodings, the days of not being able to move produce from farm to shoppers are over.
No matter how high the river come, and it never come that high, so they still stay here and ball out and I send the callaloo across, you know.
Whether the river is overloaded or not, the river has nothing to do with it. As you can see, yes, the river doesn't affect the sales.
And most importantly,
I leave the bag over here though. But I drop the money first and then I take over the money, then I send the callaloo. I don't do the other way around. You know, maybe some people might want to take the callaloo and go. I don't know where to find him, but if I take his money, you know where to find me. So you have to get his callaloo.
He's very innovative, and I think looking at what he is doing, persons can emulate what he is doing and learn from what he is doing.
Romar de Lyons, TVJ News.